Accubal Intelligent Machinery Corporation is a professional automatic weighing equipment manufacturing enterprise. Customer service, achieving global industrial intelligence is an everlasting business philosophy that Accubal adheres to. Today, we are going to introduce the hot cell model in Accubal. The design of H-shaped chassis can effectively speed up and lower costs at the same time, so that product can be more cost-effective. 10.4-inch HD color display, multi-languages system available. Weighing bucket can realize orderly feeding, suitable for good flow material. It can effectively avoid material blockage. High efficiency in quality and quantity. Inline max speed up to 100 packs per minute. The qualification rate up to 99.5% under the guarantee of packaging speed. 12 months quality warranty, professional after-sales team escort. Accubal Intelligent, a professional corporation that upgrading in a higher era.